It's August long weekend and for today's video, pupunta tayo sa Banff National Park para dito tayo mag-camping. So ngayon, andito na tayo sa, papasok na tayo sa Banff National Park, and before entering, we have to show or purchase a pass. Nakabili na kami kanina ng pass na ito sa AMA. Pag doon kayo bumili sa AMA, you have a discount of $10. You can also purchase here sa gate ng per day, or you can also purchase ng annually. So again, sa left side, dyan kayo bibili. Yung mga wala pang pass will be here on the left side, at kung meron naman kayong pass, dire-diretso lang dito sa right side. I think mas busy ngayon ang Banff National Park dahil sa nangyari sa Jasper because of the wildfire. Again, meron pa rin po tayong fire ban, kaya hindi pa rin po pwede ang magsiga or gumamit ng fire pit sa any campgrounds dito sa Alberta. I'm not sure in other provinces, but definitely here in Alberta. So, dito po kami ngayon magka-camping sa Tunnel Mountain Village 2. This is our first time camping here. Dito sa Banff, kasi usually doon po kami nagka-camp sa Jasper, and then we thought na for a change, itry naman natin dito sa Banff. Kaya itong campground na ito ay malaki, tatlo silang magkakadikit. So merong trailer court, merong Village 1 and Village 2. So kami ay dito magi-stay sa campground Tunnel Mountain Village 2. Gaya din sa Jasper National Park, itong pagkakampingan namin ay meron din pong, it's full service. So there's power and flush toilet and shower. Okay, we are here sa gate ng our campsite, which is Mountain Village 2. So unlike in Jasper here, the registration is right here at the gate entrance. So we're just waiting for our turn. After this car, then we can proceed, and then we will show them our campsite pass, and we'll see kung ano pang sasabihin niya sa atin, because this is our first time camping here at Tunnel Mountain Village 2. Okay, so here we are. We're going. Okay, so we have,
hello.
Okay, so here's the time. So check in or out is at 11, no visitors after 11, quiet time is at 11. So we are going to the Village 2, so we're turning left, and then pagka pala yung trailer court is on the right. So ito ang aming first time camping here. It's there's a bus daw, a shuttle bus going to the town. It's free, pero going back up it's $2, so it's not bad. Okay, ito yung bus station, bus stop, so we can go here. They have, I think, oh, they probably have something going on at the theater. Oh, bless you, Rain. I think they have something going on at the theater right there. Is that a theater? Amphitheater? Okay. Ito yung ano, luma na tong Village Mountain na to. Tunnel Mountain na to. They need to be renovated. Tapos maganda kasi may mga cabins ahead. Diba? Ayan o. May, I don't know if that's a cabin or bahay. Right there o. So, halos puro mga ano. Ayan, may mga ano. These are probably mga cabins pinarerentahan. Yeah, they are cabins for rent. It's nice. And here's a oh, it's called Hidden Ridge Resort pala ito. Ayan. There's the lobby. So, it's nasa loob ng Tunnel Mountain pala yung cabin. So we are going to, anong number natin? B63. So next one. Ayan. Tapos ayan yung mountain, oh. I wonder kung malamig dito sa gabi. So we'll turn left here. Wonder kung malamig dito sa gabi. So ayan. Kaliwa tayo dito. Puro mga trailer. Ayan. Ang mga nag-stay dito, puro mga trailer. Ayan, oh. B66. So bawal daw. Should be. B62. Oh, nasa kabilang side. So you need to turn. Nasa gilid. So saan kaya sila mag-ano, maliit pala to. Ayan. Okay, dahil nasa kabilang side yung site namin, we have to go back and turn, and then doon kami mag-enter sa other side para yung aming titigilan is on our right side, kasi yung aming site is nasa right side para hindi na mahihirapan umikot or lumiko yung trailer namin. So ito na, mga nakahilera na yung mga sasakyan at saka yung mga RV or trailer ng ibang mga campers. And ahead dito is yung space dyan, is dyan kami reserva. So ito ang aming site, B63. Yung area na to, you know, yan lang yung maliit na area yan for tenting. So isa sa mga ibinilin sa amin sa reservation center, kasi sinabi namin na we have another company na darating and they're gonna be tenting. So ang sabi lang sa amin, it's okay as long as wala sa damo i-set up yung tent. It has to be doon sa mga bato-bato. So yan, eto na. Medyo nahirapan si Mike na i-forma or i-set yung aming trailer kasi aside sa parallel siya, is medyo alanganin yung space, at saka we're also thinking yung saving na space para nga kina Grace na darating. You need to shorten it, Troy. You need to shorten it a little bit. Yan, habang nagsiset up kami ng trailer, etong dalawa, enjoy na enjoy sa pagbe-video sa sarili nila, si Rain at saka si Troy. Tuwan-tuwa sila na nakikita nila yung sarili nila sa video. And ayan, panay ang pakyut ng dalawa. Si Troy, kunwari, hindi siya na kakasama sa video. Tapos mamaya mo model-model na yan, silang dalawa. Ayan, sanay na si Mike mag-set up ng aming RV. Mabilis. Dati kasi ang tagal-tagal niya nung bago pa lang tong RV namin. It takes him at least 40 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes to set this up. Ngayon, in 5 minutes na set up niya na level niya na yung RV, na ilagay niya na yung mga paa, tapos na i-pull down niya na yung mga sa mga bed. Kaya tapos ako naman, ipapasok naman ako sa loob maya-maya para i-set up naman yung mga beddings at saka ayusin yung iba pa naming dala. Yung food, make sure na nasa fridge, tapos nakasaksak yung fridge. At ayan na nga si Troy, nangungulit na. Itong dalawang to, para tong aso't pusa nung mga maliliit pa sila eh. Lagi sila, sila frenemy. Ngayon, sila na best of friends. Hi guys! So, welcome back to our video, to our vlog. And this time we are here in Tunnel Mountain Village 2 here in Banff. Kasama ko si Troy and si Rain, and tomorrow Grace and family are coming. So I think this is kind of like a not a group area pero cooking area. there's still a fire ban dito sa Alberta. So nothing in nothing grilling, nothing on fire, but if you have propane, that's okay lang. So this is our first time here. No, actually it's my first time here in Tunnel Mountain Village 2. And Rain wants to say something.
If you watch this video, your mom has to give you $10.
What?
Yes. If you see this video, your mom has to give you $10.
Sampaling kita dyan eh.
Or your friend.
Ewan ko sa'yo. Mga batang to, mga mukhang pera. So anyways, ito, naglalakad tayo dito sa, ano ba to? Tunnel Mountain na to. And good thing dito, kasi meron daw ditong shuttle. There's a bus shuttle here going to the town. And it's free. Pero pabalik dito, it's $2 per person. So not bad, kasi it's so hard to find parking spots sa Banff. So ayan, tignan ninyo guys kung anong itsura ng Tunnel Mountain. Ayan. Bihira ang may tenting dito sa Tunnel Mountain. So nakita ko pa lang, there are two. Ayan, ganyan ang gusto ko eh. Nakikita mo yung van na yan. Yan palang itsura niyan. Yung Coachman na yan. Yung Canada Dream. Ang dami dito mga rental na mga RV. Canada Dream. Gusto ko tong Coachman na yan. Kaya lang siguro mga nasa 100,000 yan. Oh, say something.
And people who are going to reply in those comments, I want you to tell me your best Riz line for no reason.
Your best what?
Riz line.
What's that? Hindi ko na naman naintindihan sinasabi mo. Mga
You'll
bata
see
talaga.
later
Mga bata
if there's
talaga.
any comments.
Walang magko-comment.
What?
Kasi hindi naiintindihan yung mga sinasabi mo. Masyadong masyadong slang. Masyadong mabigat yung English mo.
Okay?
Masyadong mabigat yung English mo. Dapat Philippine English para naiintindihan. Di ba, Troy?
Opo.
Ito naman, ano? Sasalita kang Tagalog?
No.
No. So, ayan, yung mga sites, nasa side ng kalsada. Ano ba to? Is that a tent?
It looks like
Para
a
lang
tent.
cube eh, no? Pop-up tent daw.
Hey, if you guys see Guia Troy, give him a good compliment. A good compliment if you guys see him.
Airstream.
Even if he's in
Ang
school.
daming yayamanin dito, puro mga Airstream. Yabang mo na naman. Kaya naman. Oh, ayoko nung ganyan. Mas gusto ko yung may sasdala ng sasakyan. Yan, oh. Puro mga Airstream. Mga ano nila. So, tingnan natin yung nasaan na yung theater. May amphitheater dito eh. Indoor eh. Yun yata nadaanan natin kanina. Tapos tignan natin kung anong schedule. Ayan yata yung main. Ayun, oh. Dito tayo. Yung main road. But tingnan natin doon sa
Hey, look, someone's truck driving.
dito. Tingnan natin yung program. Theater program. Tingnan natin kung anong meron. Ayan, no, sa harap. Gonna cross. So, tignan natin kung anong meron sila ino-offer nila dyan. Ayan yung bus, guys. So, ito yung sasakyan na bus papunta sa hello! Mukhang Filipino yung bus driver. So, ayan yung bus papunta sa town. I wanna go to town kasi gusto kong kumain ng Cow's ice cream.
I wanna go get ice cream.
I wanna go town.
Since MJ's not here, I wanna eat pistachio ice cream.
Meron kayong $2 pamasahe pabalik?
No.
Huh? Oh, how are you gonna come back here?
I don't know.
Oh. Oh, yan na may squirrel, oh. There's a squirrel. Libre ang pababa sa town. Ay, pagbalik nyo dito, paano kayo babalik? Doon sa dulo, trailer court naman yon. Ah, you can rent a movie? Ano, hindi pala. So, ito yung mga flyers nila ng mga activities. I don't wanna do this. Sino may gusto nito?
What's that? Oh, look, it's glass.
I know.
I like that.
I like it. Maliliw ka dyan.
Yeah, I'm becoming bold.
So, that's the trailer court. Papunta dito ang trailer court. Yung trailer court naman, guys, dikit-dikit lang sila. Para siyang parking lot siya. Actually, it's a parking lot na nilagyan ng ano. Tignan natin kung anong activity today. Kung anong meron. So, ano ngayon? Friday. Wildlife rules. Bukas ay Aquaga Carol. Tapos, Sunday, shout out for trout. So, ayan yung activities nila.
Everybody.
Okay, tapos ayun naman, yung kung saan lumalabas yung mga RV. Ayan yung sun station. Diyan nagdadump ng waste and nag-fill ng water. Okay. So, camping rules. Anong camping rules dito? What's the number 1 rule sa campsite?
He's gonna say it.
Huh? What's the number 1 rule in our campsite?
I don't know.
I don't know. This is a bear country. So, what's the number 1 rule?
Yeah, don't leave food. Okay.
Don't leave food. Like what kind? Like
Any food.
any food. How about your garbage?
You shouldn't leave it outside.
Or where would you put your garbage?
I'm gonna put it inside your trailer.
Or where do you
Or
throw
in
the garbage?
or in these areas where the garbage goes. Like, see where the blue, green bins.
Garbage bins.
Yeah.
Exactly. Why is it important to throw the garbage right away and do not leave anything behind?
Because there's a bear.
It attracts animals.
Okay. So, remember the rules. And what is the quiet time? Huh? What's the quiet time here?
1 a.m.
Anong 1 a.m.? Hindi kayo nakikinig dun sa babae kanina. Quiet time starts at 11 p.m. So by 11, wala nang maingay. Kaya hindi kayo pwede magingay. And what's not allowed this camping season?
No alcohol, cannabis.
Laksan mo, hindi ka marinig.
No alcohol, cannabis, or fire.
Okay.
No alcohol.
Why there's no fire?
Because
It attracts bears.
No. Why is fire not allowed?
so there's no fires.
Because there's a fire ban. And this is the public transit stop. So kung gusto niyo mag-take ng bus, ayan, may bus station stop yan. Oh, dito yung theater. Tignan natin kung anong mayroon sa theater. Pero close na yata kasi kanina may tao dyan eh. Close na, Troy. Kanina meron.
Well,
It's closed now. And guys, kung walang fire ban, kasi merong yung mga sites na merong fire pit. And if may fire pit ka, automatic na merong kang fire permit and you can get unlimited firewoods. Doon nakukuha yung mga firewood. Ayan o. Ayun. Diyan kayo kukuha.
oh wow.
Diyan kayo kukuha ng mga firewood. Pero dahil nga bawal. Tapos parang ano yon, nasa gilid mga authentic. Tignan natin. Yung nasa right side. Yung mga glamping style. Unfortunately, yung area natin, dahil nga tabi lang siya ng kalsada, walang masyadong puno, we cannot even put up our duyan. Tapos doon naman sa dulo It's cabin. It's a resort. Nakalimutan ko yung Hidden Ridge Resort yata ang tawag. Oh, andun pala yung mga shower area. You wanna check it out?
Yeah.
Ayan. Tignan natin yung shower area. May sign kasi dito, oh. Straight ahead daw yung shower area. At saka meron pang outdoor, ano siguro to, amphitheater. Nandun daw. Hindi ko alam kung ano ibig sabihin ng sign ng bahay. Wanna go up here? Han?
These are authentics.
I wanna see, let's go check out Authentics. Ang daming squirrel, oh. Ray, nakikita mo yung mga squirrel. Ayun, oh.
You guys,
Naka-stop dun, oh.
do you guys have any recipes for squirrel?
Ha?
Huh?
Anong recipes?
What did I say again?
You guys have any recipes? What recipes?
I forgot.
I don't even know what you're talking about. Ito yung Authentic. It's nice. Tignan natin. Parang wala naman tao doon. Let's check out what Authentic looks like.
I don't like going
Okay.
up.
So guys, this is what Authentic looks like. So from here, I can see there's bed inside, parang bunk bed. I don't know what else it's inside. There's probably sink. I don't know if there's washroom inside. I would like to see. Kakahingal din yun, ah. Oh, this is another washroom. What's that greenhouse na yan? Anong meron dyan sa mga greenhouses na yan? This is a washroom. Oh, there's a sink na where you can wash.
Oh, there's a thing.
Yeah, I guess that's meron din siguro doon sa, yung sa washroom sa atin.
Unlimited
Siguro
water.
this is a cooking ano. Yung where you can cook inside siguro. I don't know. May mga bahay eh. I'd love to see what Authentic look like. I want to see what's inside. Ayan no, parang ang ganda ng mga, parang maganda yung Authentic. So we have an idea. 'Di ba? Parang it looks nice. This is section D. Ayan oh, may Authentic din sila. How about let's ask. Troy, how about you ask?
No.
She'll pay you.
Ayan oh. Tanungin natin. May kamag-anak naman si Puti doon eh oh. Parang maganda yung Authentic eh.
Oh, what's that?
I don't
Ones
know
are
how
more
many.
bigger.
No, that's a no. Parang resort ganyan. It's a cabin, it's a lodge or hotel. Parang ganon. It's per room. You rent per room.
And then
Malaki tong Tunnel Mountain eh.
impressions.
Parang dito kinasal yung dati si Laura Lee, honey. Parang dito kinasal si Laura Lee before. Ha? Dito sa Banff yun eh, di ba? Ano sabi mo rin?
I actually forgot.
You forgot what you're gonna say?
Yeah.
Meron ka palang short-term memory loss. Ha? So, ayan, mga cabins yan. So, dahil ngayon ay long weekend, definitely mahal yung mga per night stay na yan. Baka it ranges from $250 and above for a single room. Tapos yung stay namin, it's like $36 per night plus $11.50 reservation fee. Alright. So, ayan, we're just gonna go around. Ito yung kanina yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na lodge. Ito yata yung front nila kasi nakikita ko yung nakalagay may sign na lobby. And this is another bus stop station.
This is vacation homes.
This is called Hidden Ridge Resort. So yeah, and then there's the bus stop. So if you want to go to the town, take the bus from here. It's free. However, you have to pay $2 on your way back.
Vacation homes.
Huh? So this is to Fairmont, to Fairmont, then in 42 minutes. So it can go from here all the way to Fairmont.
What's the nearest town?
No, there's only like Banff. And then you can go to Canmore.
Canmore has yummy Tom and Jerry ice cream.
See guys, there is a complimentary one-way Banff local public transit trip from this stop, and it starts May 17th until October 6th. So you can leave your vehicle at your campsite to avoid stress or traffic or looking for parking, and then on your way back you pay $2. Ayan. So ayun yung lobby kung saan merong yung may ilaw na car na yon, lobby. Doon ang lobby. So yung bus umiikot lang naman. Goes on a loop.
The campsite even after.
Yes.
Hotel.
Yes.
Wow, fancy.
Have you guys seen a telephone before?
I've seen it.
I went to a telephone booth in Toronto.
Oh, you went to a telephone booth in Toronto? How about you? Have you seen a telephone before?
In photos.
This is a telephone booth. See? But this is not the old style because this is where you press the numbers. The old one is where
I want to make prank calls.
yeah. But you need to insert coins.
Hey, do you wanna
So
make
how
a
much is
prank
it? Is it
call?
25? It's a quarter. You guys don't have a quarter. And who are you gonna call?
I wanna do
Police.
Do you know your sister's phone number?
I'm gonna call a missing dog and then tell them I found the dog.
Ewan ko sa'yo. Kawawa naman kayo. Ngayon na kayo nakakita ng telephone booth.
If I was able.
Have you seen the old style telephone where you have to dial the number? Okay. So dito palakihan ng mga trailers. So ayun meron din silang tent doon. Oh, one more thing pala na sinabi sa amin kasi I told the people at the gate at the entrance na we have more people coming tomorrow, and we said that they're gonna be staying, and they said that's fine. So we can have one trailer, one tent, as long as yung tent is not gonna be on the grass. So dapat nasa gravel. Yung gravel section area, kind of like a tiny space, tiny area. So sakto lang yung maliit na tent na dadalhin nila Grace for tomorrow. Right, this is a nice spot for picture for tomorrow, right here. I'll take a good picture of you. Let's do it. So yan, we're back here at our campsite. This is where we're gonna be staying for 3 nights.
I'm going inside.
So we're going to eat. We're gonna eat out here.
It's so itchy.
I know, itchy.
Yeah.
I don't like
That's why
the
you're
bugs.
camping. There's no bugs.
There is.
We're gonna eat here. Good morning guys. Nandito tayo sa ating campsite and nagluluto tayo ng ating breakfast na bacon. Ayan yung ating style ng pagluluto. So, ayan ang aking bacon. Ang gusto ko sa bacon ay crispy. We'll try na mapa-crispy natin ito. Ating bacon. Alright, ito na ang ating bacon. Paluto na. So, konti na lang pa crunchy. Para mas masarap ang ating bacon. Well, actually, okay na rin ito yung ganito eh. Maganda itong bacon guys na to from Surfland, from Costco kasi hindi siya masyadong lumiliit. Oh, ito yung full bacon niya. Right? Unlike yung mga nabibili sa mga other supermarket. Pagka niluto mo yung bacon, yung one strip of bacon, it will be just like sobrang liit na. Dahil naubos na. Natunaw na yung fat. Yan. Alright, kami naman ngayon ay maghuhugas ng aming pinagkainan dito daw sa area ng sea area. Is that it, Troy? That side? Oh yeah. This area. So we're gonna line up here to wash our dishes. Ayan o, may sign dito na pwedeng maghugas ng mga dishes. So, ayan yung sign. Meron lang nauna sa amin. So, antayin natin our turn here. Meron pala ditong lockers for food storage only. So, kung gusto mong mag-store ng mga food, dyan mo sila ilalagay. I wonder kung anong food ang i-store mo dyan. So, anyone can mag-store. So, maghugas tayo ng mag-use ka ng toilet. Tignan natin kung anong nasa loob. So, buksan mo, Troy. Buksan mo. Oh, may food. Sarado mo. Oh. Yung isa, i-close mo kasi binuksan mo. Ayan. So, meron nga mga nag-iiwan ng mga food sa loob. Yung isa, buksan niya. Other side. Yan. Tingnan mo. Meron? Open. Tingnan ko. Hindi makita ng video. Oh, close mo na. So, meron nga pong mga nag-iiwan ng food, nagtatago ng food sa loob. Hi guys! So, andito kami sa Randall Reservoir, dito sa Canmore. So, dito kami magpa-paddleboard. Ito ang itsura guys ng so, ayan. Pagpasok namin, well actually, wala siyang designated parking. Kaya, along the road na lang kami nag-park. Ito yung itsura ng reservoir. Marami rin nagpa-paddleboard dito at saka nakapark sa gilid. Doon sa may Quarry Lake, pwede rin doon, kaya lang may bayad daw ang parking doon ng $20 at saka medyo puno na. So dito na, kaya dito na lang kami nagpunta. Mukha namang okay yung water kasi marami ring naliligo. Medyo mainit nga lang. And I brought my mini tent, yung beach tent namin. So, tignan natin kung meron ditong washroom na kung saan pwedeng mag-change ng pangligo. Actually, kung meron ng washroom, so I'm expecting na it's gonna be yung toilet na shoot diretso. So, ayan, yung mga tao, nasa side lang sila. All the way up to there. So, magpa-paddleboard kami. Ayun si Rain. Nasa beach tent. Tapos, yung mga tao. May mga Pinoy din. Ayun, isang grupo. Tapos dito. Mababaw. Si Mike hindi niya nadala yung kanyang pangligo. So, ito Asian. Tignan natin kung ano tong building na to. If this is a washroom na pwedeng pagliguan. So, tignan natin. Ikutan natin sa gilid. So, ayan. Malawak naman siya. And clear naman yung water. Maganda din. So, ayan. It's gonna be nice. hanap tayo ng spot natin kung saan pwede tayong mag-ano. Pero okay na rin yung spot na anuhan namin doon. Kanya-kanyang set up yung mga tao. Ito, mga nagpipiknik na rin sila. Kanya-kanyang dalang rice cooker, Instapot. So, it's gonna be nice and hot and sunny. Yun lang guys, wala siyang ano dito, walang washroom. So if you need to use ng washroom, para-paraan na lang, gawa na lang ng paraan. Ayan. So yan. Okay, nahanap na ako ni Mike, baka kailangan ng tulong. So eto yun guys, sa sinasabi ko, dahil wala ngang designated parking spot katulad dun sa Quarry Lake, so yung mga tao dito na lang nakapark along the road. Risky kasi pwedeng madali ng mga umaanda na sasakyan. Tapos if you're gonna park on the other side naman, tignan nyo, delikado din pagtatawid kasi mabilis yung mga sasakyan, lalo na kung may dala mo na yung paddleboard mo. Usually kasi yung mga tao, tumatawid sila, dala na yung paddleboard nila. Kasi yung paddleboard nila, in-inflate na nila sa may sasakyan nila pagka may silang electric na pwedeng mag-inflate. So, yan. Umahon na kami sa pagpapaddleboard namin kasi nag-start na siya very windy. Malakas na yung current ng water pagka mahangin. Tsaka medyo lumalamig na rin. Kaya umahon na kami. Tapos itong mga kasama ko, nilalamig na rin daw. So nagliligpit na kami. Ito lang ang problema sa pagliligpit. Madaming ligpit din. So yan, dito lang tayo. Driving here sa Banff Town. So ikot lang tayo dito. Tingnan natin kung anong makikita natin dito sa Banff. Matagal-tagal na rin kami hindi napadaan dito sa Banff. Medyo madilim-dilim. Parang umuulan sa ibang part ng lugar. May vacancy pa sila. Kanina dun sa highway, umuulan-ulan na. So ngayon, tingnan natin. Bakit sa yard sale? Natawag sila. Day 2 in camping. So kanina paddleboard kami sa Randall Lake. Ano yun? Randall Reservoir. Tapos ngayon ito, nagrasya nag-set up ng kanilang mini tent. And si Honey gumagawa ng burger. So ayan, unti-unti na nagdadatingan yung mga tao. Ito, bagong dating to. Hindi siya, yung kagabi nakadating dito, hindi yan yung sasakyan. This is from Saskatchewan. Ayun, bago din yung truck na yon, yung malaking bus or trailer or something. Alright, so ito na, papalubog na ang araw. Sunset, as you can see, the sky. Ayan, mapula-pula na. Tapos, nasa loob na ang mga bata. Nasa loob na ng tent, ng trailer yung tatlo. Si Gracia nando sa loob ng tent niya, kasama yung aso niya. Si Liam, nagtututbrush. And then, Dada, yun, nag-longboard daw si Dada. Anyways, tomorrow is gonna be another day. Tomorrow is Sunday. So, don't know what the plans will be. I'm thinking baka mag-Emerald Lake kami. It's Dada. And then, baka dumaan na rin sa Takakaw Falls and Yoho National Park. Tignan natin doon. So, yun. Sunday, tignan natin din kung anong oras ang mass time sa church doon sa Canmore. And we can try go church doon. And we are here until Monday. Monday, go back home kasi holiday sa Monday, and then I have day off on Tuesday, and Wednesday back to work. Yan, paikot-ikot lang tayo dito. We had dinner. Ang kinain namin ay sinigang. Nagluto si Grace ng isang malaking kaldero ng sinigang na baboy. Tapos nag-burger din kami kanina ng hapon, mga bata. Mushroom burger. Ito yung washroom, yung kulay green na yan. Yan ay washroom, may toilet and shower dyan sa area na yan. Pero yung shower is isa lang yung facility for shower na to. Isang for one lang siya. Tapos meron din sa ibang mga showers dun sa ibang lugar. Sa ibang sites. Anyways, that's it for tonight, I think. And see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a big day. So, bye. Good morning, guys. It's our
also an altar boy.
Day 2.
Huh?
Or day 3.
Yes, me.
Hi, Liam.
Hello.
Say hi to them.
So, another day of camping.
Out there.
Another day of camping, and we have egg bacon sandwich.
Nangangatal naman tong aso mo, oh.
Binigyan nga.
Eh, di, pasok mo dyan sa loob. Ayan, day 3 namin. It's a beautiful day today. So, itong kapitbahay namin, lumarga na, umalis na. Yung mga iba, dating they've been here. Tapos, may dumating kagabi, yun sa may washroom, nagstay yung isang kotse, natulog lang. Tapos ito dumating kagabi. Ayan, naku, yung train na yan, ang lakas-lakas, ang ingay-ingay. Dinig na dinig namin yung train. Ito yung mga aso na to, oh. Tignan mo si Puti. Nangangatal na. Katal na, oh.
What the fuck?
Ito naman. Kasi nga bawal ang fire pit. Pero ito, basta propane, okay lang. Nag-iihaw ng manok si JR. Ito, kape-kape kami. Ito, napulot namin to. Hindi naman pala napulot.
Someone left it.
Oh, someone left it for free. So, we grab it. Puno pa eh. Ito, puno pa. Ayan. Can you put more water, please?
I did it the other way, and you said it was wrong.
Hi guys! Nasaan tayo, Ate Bebeng? No, where are we exactly right now? I think that's my water.
I could share. I'm carrying it.
So, nasaan tayo ngayon?
Camping. Camping.
Anong ginagawa natin right now?
We're waiting for the bus.
Okay, we are waiting for shuttle. May bus kasi dito na free bus going to downtown. Going to the town ng Banff. So, yan. Dahil mainit, kami ay nakapayong. At kami lang, kala ko kami lang ang nakapayong. Pati pala yung mga ano sa likod. O, ayan, no? Ayan. Ate Bebeng, akala ko tayo lang ang nakapayong. Yan, nakasakay na po kami sa loob ng bus. At ito ay libre. Tapos ito si Rain Jewel. Hi, Rain. Nakasakay si Rain ng bus dito sa Banff. Ayan, si Wawa at si Bebeng nasa harap.
So now this is what it looks like
in Banff, so they closed the main street. So now you have to take either transit or you walk. But from years it still looks the same.
So ito na pala ang bank ngayon. Ganito na. Mamaya na tayo mag-picture-picture kasi dito tayo sasakay ng bus.
Nothing has changed. It's still the same. It's just they closed the street.
Nothing has changed. Ang dami kayo na bago. Big changes na close na itong street na to.
Yeah, it's still the same stores, and they just closed the street for.
Dahil nga sa sobrang busy na ng Banff at maraming turista na dumadayo dito, so ayan, sinarado na nila yung main road or main road dito sa Banff Town, and no private vehicles are allowed to pass through yan sa naka-close na yan. So yung mga private vehicles, they go around din sila sa likod dumadaan. And if you prefer to park, you have to pay, I think, $6 per hour.
Starbucks over there. We're walking towards the government building.
Ayan yung nasunog dati. Yung Mount Royal Hotel na yan, the entire section na yan, nasunog yan. So yan, nasunog. Ang haba ng pila ng House Ice Cream. Banff Park Lodge. Basin.
Where's that that Japanese restaurant?
Dati, tanda ko, malapit yun sa may McDonald's. Nasaan yung McDonald's?
I think McDonald's doon pa.
Ayan, ang dami dito nagpapapicture ng front at saka back. Kasi pagka front, ang background mo yung mountain. And then sa likod naman, ang background naman yung government building. Kaya make sure if you're here, have your photo taken the front and the back. Sorry po sa mga napo-photo bomber namin.
House is busy.
One more thing I noticed dito sa Banff, just like sa Jasper, yung sidewalk, pinalapad na nila, ginawa na rin nilang restaurant or cafe area. So marami na nakaset up na tables and chairs for dining dito sa along the road dito sa Banff Town. Banff Park Museum, pero close po ang museum. Kaya let's proceed papunta dito sa government building. Ito ang bus stop ng Banff Park Museum. Dito rin yata kami sasakay mamaya. O, dito rin kami sasakay mamaya. Anong oras ang ba? Dito ba tayo sasakay? Sa kabilang side? Oh, lakad muna tayo doon sa harap. Punta tayo doon. Nakakain na kami kanina sa Vietnamese restaurant na wala namang kasarap-sarap, pagka mahal-mahal. Kaya kung kayo po ay pupunta dito, huwag nyo pong dadayuhin yung restaurant na iyon. Wala, hindi ko ma-recommenda. Talo. So, diretso tayo. But parang nawala na yung araw, no? Kaya masarap maglakad-lakad. Sina Gracia ay umuna na dahil yung kanilang sasakyan ay 2 hours parking lang. Oh, akayin mo, wawa mo. Ito tinatawag na Bow River Bridge. Are. So, tignan natin ang Bow River Bridge. Ba, maganda. Oh, maganda po ang Bow River Bridge. Ayan, oh. Kaso hindi pwede dito mag mag paddleboard, bawal. Pero doon sa other side, alam ko pwede mag-canoe. Doon sa other side, kasi may parentahan doon eh. 'Di ba? Doon sa kabila, hindi dito, pero doon sa kabila may parentahan. Doon yata ang daan. Nakita na natin yung dati, naikutan na natin yun eh. Ayan. Ang dami lang sasakyan dito sa Banff, kaya matraffic na din. Basta lang tayo dito. Picture tayo. Ayan yung sasakyan namin bus. Yan number 2 na yan. Yung Tunnel Mountain na yan. Right, papasok tayo dito kasi bibili tayo ng milk tea. So, ayan yung milk tea. Ay, ay, ay. Masarap kasi may AC dito sa loob. Oh. So, ito yung milk tea at Banff. So, pasok tayo dito. Meron silang cotton candy maker. It's $5 to make. So, dito tayo mag-order. We got our milk tea drink. Apo. And then, dito tayo bibili, magbabas. Sasakay ng bus. Ayan. Go. Ayan. Here's our bus coming. Ayan na po, sasakay tayo ng bus. Rain, there's a bus. Oh, tigil na yung ganyan. So, ito na po yung bus natin. Sasakay tayo ng bus na to. Ito yung sinakyan natin kanina. So, ayan, sakay tayo. Can you, alalay Wawa? Please. Ayan. Alright, so, dito si Wawa nakaupo. This will go at the back. So, ito yung bus. What bus looks like. Sakay na kami sa bus. Nawawa na doon sa harap. Okay, nakikita ang daming mga tao dito. Oh, talagang hindi, very busy ang Banff. Lalo na ngayon na merong sunog sa Jasper. Kaya, hindi mapuntahan. So, ngayon yung mga tao, dito sila na namamasyal. Kaya, ang mga accommodations dito sa Jasper, ang accommodations dito sa Banff ay almost full vacancy. Kaya, walang, even yung mga campsites, full din. Walang makuhang mga spots or slots. So ito, ang dami, very busy na talaga, kaya itong street na to, dati kasi itong main road na to, nadadaanan pa ng mga private vehicles. Ngayon, isinara na siya and public vehicle na lang ang nakakapasok pagdating doon sa stop na yon. From here, yung mga sasakyan lumiliko na, either going left or going right. And tapos nandun lang sila sa loob. Parking is hard also. Ang parking dito ay wala nang free parking dito sa Banff, unless na, for example, yung IGA, we were there kahapon. We went to buy something and free naman yung parking sa IGA, kaya lang mabilis lang kasi merong attendant na nakabantay doon, kaya hindi pwedeng magtagal ng more than 30 minutes ang parking, pinaalis. And then dito naman sa mga along the streets, wala na. So sa loob naman, sa may mga residential area, merong bawal din mag-park doon unless you're a resident. Tapos may sticker ka kung resident ka and then you're going to park there. Okay, dito yung bus na yun, puno na. Kasi itong bus na to ang magagaling, ang magdadala sa campsite. Doon sa tinutuluyan namin campsite na Tunnel Mountain Tunnel Mountain Village 2. Ito yung bus na umiikot doon. So, puno na. Dito pa lang. Hindi pa kami nakakalagpas. Right, so ito, mandar na kami, kaya pala kami napatigil kanina ng matagal doon sa inalisan namin kasi walang driver, nag-off na yung driver na pinalitan, hindi pa nadating yung kapalit. So ayan, kaandar lang namin. But anyways, yun, balik na tayo sa parking topic. Ang parking dito sa Banff daw, yung si Grace kanina nagbayad. They paid $12 for 2 hours. So, pumapatak na $6 per hour ang parking. So, itong mga sasakyan na ito na nakapark sa mga gilid, mga ano yan, dito nakatira, kaya may mga parking stickers itong mga yan. Ibig sabihin, resident stickers, mga dito sila nakatira, kaya allowed sila mag-park sa gilid. So, yan, in a few minutes, nasa campground na kami. Ang bus na to ay fully loaded, punong-puno, ang daming nakasakay. And so yan, tuloy na lang natin ulit ang usapan mamaya pagdating sa campground. Cooking tayo ng longganisa. I have two kinds here. Merong sweet and then meron din yung parang lukban na longganisa, yung medyo maasim. I'm not sure if it's lukban o vegan. Isa man sa dalawa. So, yung mapula is yung sweet. Tapos yung ma-brown is yung medyo maasim daw. So, pinagsama ko na. Bahala na silang maglasa ng pareho. Pareho naman silang longganisa. At tapos ito, nagsangag na rin ako ng rice. Kasi ang daming naisaing kagabi na rice. Tapos hindi mo masyadong nakain. Sinangag ko na. And then mamaya naman magluluto ako ng sarsyadong itlog. Ayan. Hanggang dito na lang po muna ulit ang aming camping video. Abangan po ninyo ang aming susunod na camping sa katapusan ng August. Until next time, bye!